Dear students, I, Mr. Narendra Jangle, from Gokhale Education Society's Aryam Bhatt High School, Paral, welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to study Maharashtra State Board's 10th Standard Algebra's first chapter, Linear Equations in Two Variables. Today we shall study only one method, that is to solve the simultaneous equations by graphical method. Dear students, if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my video and share my video to your friends. So let's start. So let us see graphical method to solve the simultaneous equations. Dear students, we can solve the linear equations in two variables using three methods: algebraic method, graphical method, and Cramer's rule. So today we are going to study the graphical method. So without wasting the time, let us see some examples from exercise 1.2. So here, this is the first example from exercise 1.2. Solve the following simultaneous equations by graphical method. The question will be like this. The equations are x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now, our first equation is x plus y is equal to 6. So, how to solve these equations by graphical method? Let us see. So, here the first equation is x plus y is equal to 6. Simplify this equation such that we get the formula for y. So, how to do this? Write all the term except y term to right hand side, means move all the remaining terms except y to right hand side. y सोडून उरलेले सर्व टर्म्स आपल्याला काय करायचे आहे, राईट हँड साईडला न्यायचे आहे. सो हियर वी गेट y is equal to 6 and this x becomes minus x. So we get the formula to calculate the value of y. Because to plot the graph of linear equation, we required at least 3 points. So here, by preparing this table, we have to obtain 3 points to plot the graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 6. Here we see this table. In this table, here these are the values of x variable, these are the values of y variable, and here the coordinates of x and y. So it is the first point, second point, and third point. We can name that points as A, B, C. A point, B point, C point. So here first it is essential to get the formula to calculate the value of y. Now we have to select any possible values on any values of x. आपण x च्या कोणत्याही व्हॅल्यू घेऊ शकतो. त्या x च्या व्हॅल्यू या फॉर्म्युलामध्ये तुम्ही टाकल्यात की तुम्हाला y च्या व्हॅल्यूज त्या ठिकाणी मिळणार आहेत. परंतु but while selecting the values of x, remember one thing. Select the value of x in such a way that the value of y should be smallest possible value. And second thing, it is not a fraction. So let us see how to work out. Suppose we select 0, 1 and 2. These are 3 values for x. So working easier, the formula for y is equal to 6 minus x. Now simply substitute the value of x in this formula. This is the working. So 6 minus 0, we get 6. So y is equal to 6. So first point means coordinates of first point are 0 and 6. So coordinates of A are 0 and 6. Now second workout. Here it is the second workout. X is taken as 1. Rewrite the formula for y. Punha liha. Y is equal to 6 minus x. Now substitute the value of x. 6 minus 1, we get 5. So y is equal to 5. So 1, 5, this is the coordinates of second point, that is point B. Now work out this third point. Write the formula y is equal to 6 minus x is equal to, here we have taken the value of x as 2. x ची value आपण 2 घेतलेली आहे. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. That means 2, 4. This is the coordinate of third point. So we prepare the table. We obtain the 3 points or coordinates of 3 points for first equation. पहिल्या इक्वेशन साठी आपण 3 पॉइंट्स त्या ठिकाणी मिळवलेत, A, B, C. आता सेम थिंग वी हॅव टू डू फॉर द सेकंड इक्वेशन. सेकंड इक्वेशन साठी आपल्याला पुन्हा हीच प्रोसिजर रिपीट करायची आहे. बघा, हियर x minus y is equal to 4 is the second equation. Now simplify this equation. How? We have to obtain the formula for y. So except y term, move all the terms to right hand side. सगळ्या टर्म्स राईट हँड साईडला आपण घेऊन जायचे आहे. सो मायनस वाय इज इक्वल टू 4 minus x. Now change the sign because variable is never negative. Variable negative ठेवायचा नाही. y is equal to minus 4 plus x means x minus 4. Minus 4 plus x ठेवा किंवा x minus 4 करा. Now again select the value of x. x च्या व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही कोणत्याही घेऊ शकता. So again we take 1, 0, minus 1, any values. Now find the values of y. Y is equal to x minus 4. So first value is 1 minus 4. So we get minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. So we get the coordinates of first point 1 minus 3. Let the points be P, Q, R. These are the 3 points. Now find the coordinates of second point. Write the equation y is equal to x minus 4. So we get 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4, means we get y is equal to minus 4. So coordinates of second point Q are 0 minus 4. And third coordinate y is equal to x minus 4 is the formula for y. We already obtained that formula. Substitute the value of x. X is equal to minus 1 minus 4. So we get minus 5. So here minus 1 minus 5, we get the 3 points. So friends, first we have to obtain. So this is very important part for graphical method. जर आपण हे टेबल्स व्यवस्थित तयार करू शकलो नाही तर आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी ग्राफ्स प्लॉट करताना अडचणी येणार. ग्राफिकल मेथडमध्ये हा इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट आहे. ईच टेबल कॅरीज हाफ मार्क्स. सो वी कंप्लीटेड द वर्क ऑफ 1 mark. दिस क्वेश्चन इज फॉर 3 marks. दिस इज फॉर 3 marks. Now here we get the coordinates of points for equation 1 and equation 2. Points for x plus y is equal to 6r. यानी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन के जो कोई पॉइंट्स है वो है 0, 6, that is the first point A, 1, 5, second point, and 2, 4. These are the coordinates of first points of first equation. Second equation, 1 minus 3, 0 minus 4, and minus 1 minus 5. So is it clear? Here, first simplify the first equation, get the formula for y is equal to 6 minus x. Now prepare the table, select any three values of x, select the values in such a way that we get the smallest possible value of y. Now next calculate and find the value of y. We get x coordinate, y coordinate and 3 points. Coordinates of 3 points for this first equation. Same thing do for the second equation. We get the coordinates of 3 points for second equation and write these points for first equation and for second equation. So these points are written here. Now second thing, we have to plot the graph of this equation. The graph paper is required for this. Here we have taken question number 1 from exercise practice set 1.2, question number 1. So first draw the horizontal axis, that is called x-axis, x o x dash, and the vertical axis, that is y-axis, y o y dash. That is called Cartesian coordinate system. The paper is divided into 4 quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. You know the sign in first quadrant plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, in third quadrant minus minus, on fourth quadrant plus minus. So depending upon the sign, the point is in which quadrant we can decide. So let us plot the graphs of that both equations. So let us plot the graph of first equation. Here the points are given for the first equation. The points are 0, 6, then 1, 5 and 2, 4. So let us plot the points one by one. So it is A, 0, 6. If x coordinate is 0, the point is on y-axis. So here it is 0 and here it is 6. So we get the first point A, 0, 6. Write the coordinates of that point here, 0, 6. So small dot and a point. Second point is 1, 5. So both the coordinates are positive. Therefore, it is in the first quadrant. So go in the first quadrant. Here it is the first quadrant. X coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 5. So 1 and this is 5. We get this point 1, 5. Now this third point is 2, 4. Again both the coordinates are positive. So it is again in the first quadrant. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 4. So here it is 2 and here it is 4. Plot that point 2, 4. Now we have to plot a line, straight line passing through these 3 points. ह्या 3 पॉइंट मधनं जाणारी लाईन त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काढायची आहे. ती लाईन काढताना जर का हे तिघं पॉइंट कोलिनियर आले नाहीत, याचा अर्थ आपलं कुठंतरी कॅल्क्युलेशनमध्ये रॉंग झालेलं आहे. आणि जर का ते कोलिनियर असतील, याचा अर्थ आपलं कॅल्क्युलेशन बरोबर आहे. सो दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ आवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, x plus y is equal to 6. So in this way we plot the graph of the first equation, x plus y is equal to 6, by plotting these 3 points. Now second step, again plot the 3 points for the second equation. For second equation, the points are 1 minus 3, 0 minus 4 and minus 1 minus 5. So 1 minus 3 yani plus minus, it is in the fourth quadrant. So let us see how to plot in the fourth quadrant. Here it is the fourth quadrant. This is 1 and this is minus 3. So here we get that point, that is 1 minus 3. The second point is 0 minus 4. Whenever the x coordinate is 0, the point is on y axis. So we get the y coordinate is minus 4. So here we get the point 0 minus 4. And the third point is minus 1 minus 5. It is in a third quadrant because both the coordinates are negative. So here it is third quadrant, minus 1 minus 5. So here we get this point minus 1 minus 5. Now again plot the line passing through these 3 points. If these 3 points are collinear, then your calculation is correct. Otherwise there is some mistake in your calculation. जर का तिघ पॉइंट कोलिनियर नसतील तर कुठेतरी मिस्टेक झालेली आहे असं आपल्या लक्षात येते. अदरवाइज your calculations are correct. So we get the graph of the equation, second equation, that is x minus y is equal to 4. Now the next point, last point, the solution is the point of intersection of both these graphs. We draw the graph of first equation and second equation. Now see the point of intersection of both the graphs. Both the lines intersect in one point. दोघं लाईन कुठेतरी एकत्र येतील, त्याचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिहा. बघा याचा x कोऑर्डिनेट आहे 5 and y कोऑर्डिनेट is 1. 5 and 1. Now we should write our answer. आता मी इथंच लिहितो आहे, आपण आपल्या पेपरवरती तिथं लिहू शकतात. The coordinates of point of intersection is equal to 5, 1. Therefore, solution of the equations x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4 is 5, 1. So these coordinates of point of intersection is our solution. Means x coordinate is the value of x and y coordinate is the value of y. So in this way we can solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method. So let us see one more example. So here it is, the fourth example from exercise 1.2, practice set 1.2. Solve the following simultaneous equations by graphical method. 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is the first equation. And 2x minus y is equal to 3. This is the second equation. Now same method is there. First obtain the formula for y. पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं आपल्याला y साठीचं एक सूत्र फॉर्म्युला त्या ठिकाणी मिळवायचं आहे. So simplify in such a way that all the terms except y सोडून सगळ्या टर्म्स राईट हँड साईडला लिहायचे आहे, म्हणजे आपण y चा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला मिळतो. सो हियर मायनस y इज इक्वल टू 2 minus this 3x becomes minus 3x. Now change the sign. So because the variable is never negative, so y is equal to minus 2 plus 3x. So write the plus sign first, yani 3x minus 2. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. We get the formula फॉर वाय. आपण वाय साठीचं सूत्र मिळवलं. आता इथं सुद्धा तुम्हाला एक्सच्या 3 व्हॅल्यू कोणत्याही सिलेक्ट करायच्या आहेत. वी कॅन सिलेक्ट एनी 3 व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ एक्स. परंतु एक काळजी घ्यायची, अशा व्हॅल्यू घ्या की जेणेकरून आपल्याला वायची व्हॅल्यू इट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पॉसिबल व्हॅल्यू अँड नॉट अ फ्रॅक्शन. इफ इट इज largest value, suppose 15, 18, then it is impossible to show or plot on the graph paper. That's why it must be a smallest possible value. So again, if we select x as 0, then we get here working y is equal to 3x minus 2. So y is equal to 3x minus 2. Substitute the value of x is equal to 0. So we get 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So here it is the calculation. So we get y is equal to minus 2. So suppose these are the 3 points ABC. We get the coordinates of first point 0 minus 2. Second one, suppose it is 1. We can select any values. We select x as a 1. Now write the formula y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now substitute this value of x is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 minus 2. 3 ones are 3 minus 2. We get 1. So 1 and 1. This is the coordinates of second point. Now let us see the third point. Suppose it is 2. Now rewrite the formula 3x minus 2. Now substitute this value of x. ही x ची व्हॅल्यू इथं टाकायची आहे आपल्याला आणि कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचं आहे. 3 into 2 minus 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 2. We get 4. So y is equal to 4. So 2, 4. These are the coordinates of third point. So in this way, for first equation, we get 3 points and their coordinates. Do the same thing for second equation. Second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 3. Simplify. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 2x. This 2x becomes minus 2x. Now change the sign. Y is equal to minus 3 plus 2x. So write the plus sign first. 2x minus 3. Now again select any 3 value of 1, 0, minus 1. Any 3 value. We select 1, 0, minus 1. Now when x is equal to 1, find the value of y. Y is equal to So y is equal to 2x minus 3. Now substitute x is equal to 1 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 we get minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. We get 1 minus 1. This is the first point. Let it be PQR. Now second calculation, y is equal to 2x minus 3, that is the formula. Now substitute x at 0. 2 into 0 minus 3. So we get 0 minus 3 is equal to minus 3. So write this value here. Second coordinate, second point, 2, 0 minus 3. Now third point, y is equal to 2x minus 3. Substitute x as minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 we get minus 2 minus 3, it is minus 5. Whenever similar sign, add both and place the sign of greater number. So we get minus 5. So minus 1 and minus 5, this is the third point. So we get the 3 points for both the equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now I have to write the points, coordinates of the points for first equation and second equation. The coordinates for first equation 0, -2, 1, 1 and 2, 4. So write for first equation these are 0, -2, then second one is 1, 1 and third one is 2, 4. For second equation these are 1, -1, 0, -3 and -1, -5. Now let us plot the graph. Now see how to plot the graph of that second equation. The points for this second equation, that second example, here these are the points for first equation and these are the points for second equation. Plot these points. Here x-axis, y-axis are already drawn. We have to draw the Cartesian coordinate system. Here remember one thing, scale must be there on both axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. And here remember one thing, question number must be there. If you don't write the question number, you will get 0 marks. So remember that. Now plot these points 0, -2. So 0, -2, it must be on the y-axis. So here it is 0, -2 on y-axis. Second point is 1, 1. So it is in the first quadrant because both are positive. 1, 1. This is the second point B, and the third point is 2, 4. It is in the first quadrant 2, and this is y coordinate 4. So 2, 4. So first point is the x coordinate, second point is the y coordinate. Both the lines intersect at that point. That is the point. Now draw the line passing through these 3 points. If the line is collinear, then our calculation is correct. So here this is the graph of the first equation, and write the name of that equation here. This is the graph of first equation. 3x minus y is equal to 2. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now we have to plot the line for the second equation. The coordinates are 1, -1. It must be in the second quadrant. 0, -3 on y-axis. -1, -5 in third quadrant. So here 1, -1, here it is in the fourth quadrant. 1 and -1. Second one is 0, -3. Here it is 0, -3 on y-axis. And third one is -1 and -5. This is the point -1, -5. X coordinate is -1 and y coordinate is -5. So draw the line passing through these 2 points, 3 points. Here it is the graph of this line. So this is second is the graph of the equation 2xy is equal to 2x minus 3. So we have to write the equation here. So this is the graph of so and so equation, this is the graph of so and so equation. Now their point of intersection is -1, -5. So write our answer again here. The point of intersection, coordinates of point of intersection is equal to -1 -5. Therefore solution of these equations is -1 -5. Means this is the solution of the equation. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. So in this way we can solve the equations by graphical method. So dear student, today we study how to solve the equations by graphical method. If you have any doubt, then write in comment and I will try to solve more examples for you. Thank you.